Hello, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video, I am making a popsicle gift box. This is from scrapdivadesigns.com. This is her information. Follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters. And I do have a discount code for you. That's V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. So the popsicle gift box comes with 8 pieces. Be sure to check out the Pink Ape. She's here on YouTube. She has a detailed tutorial on how to assemble this box. Today I'm going to show you how to make a window with this box, add some acetate and some glitter, and also how it looks with an embellishment inside the box. So here I'm showing you exactly how each die cut looks against the dies, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, everything is all separated, and I am also using some acetate. You will need 2 pieces of acetate, and the way I cut that out is with the die here that's included in the gift box. And also you're also going to need the Essentials die cut. I will have that linked below in order to make the window. I'm also using the Loaded Banner die. It's a tassel. It comes in the Loaded Banner die set. I will have that linked below as well. So this is what it looks like with the window. I've already pre-cut that out just to save time here. And so I'm also using the Summer Words #2 die cuts, and that is in ice cream. So I did do the faux acetate word ephemera with that, and I will have that linked below so you can do the same as well. So I'm just showing you how the die looks against the die cuts there, and I made a dangle out of it, and that's on the side. So this is the box here. I do use hot glue, so reason being is my directions are a bit different than assembling this gift box with liquid glue. So I am using 4 pieces total for the stick. I love, you guys already know this, but I liked the chipboard feel. So I do layer everything up, and I did that here too as well. So here I'm showing you all of the stitching that I did, and make sure that you get that right, because once you stitch on, and if it's on the wrong side, it's over for you. You'd have to start over. So I went ahead and did that prior. As you can see on the right hand side of the screen, there is my prototype in craft color and green. So here I'm already assembling the sides of the box, and that's the inner box. So I'm showing you here how I add the stick as well as some foam pieces. So a quick tip for adding durability and stability is to add these foam pieces to the inside of the bottom of the inner box. So as you can see here, it's the side with the stick. Add the foam to that inner piece and glue it down on both sides, and you will have some stability for pulling the box in and out of the sleeve. So as you can see here, I am using hot glue to do that. You are able to use liquid glue and get the same results. And so here it is here. So I be sure to work with this part first before assembling the inner box. Here I'm demonstrating for you how hollow that side is, and also how flimsy the stick can get. So I would recommend that you layer up like I did, and if you can, even add chipboard and glue the inner portion of that piece with some foam if you're able to, or chipboard, anything that would make that sturdy. So the sides of the inner box have been assembled. I did that off camera, so very simply done and self-explanatory. So here I'm just adding the backing of that and assembling the sleeve. So the sleeve is very easy as well. So I'm adding some acetate to the window, and I did sew my acetate down. You are able to use score tape with your acetate if you're using glitter pieces. I wouldn't recommend it for sequins. It's just that the sequins is bulkier and it has so much bulk to it that it could just open up, and you just don't want that. So I use score tape here because I am using that chunky glitter from Michaels. And so that sleeve is assembled, and now I'm gonna add the icing to the top of the ice cream that also comes with the die pieces. And I'm scoring the sides with my stylist and gluing everything down in pieces. So I want to do that in pieces just to be sure that I glue everything down properly. So my box is all complete here, and now it's time for the fun part, and that is decorating. And so I went ahead and used the Hooray collection stickers. I picked this up from the Polka Dot Pinecone. She was selling these, and I just love the Hooray collection, and I just picked it up. So yeah, it says yay there. I just love the glitter and the color of it and the festivity of it. As you can see, I'm mixing and matching all of my pieces. For this popsicle box, I did use the Round Trip collection by Maggie Holmes, and the chipboard is a mix and match, so the Hooray collection for the words. The glasses, I believe, is from the Gather collection by Maggie Holmes. Here I'm showing you a tassel. I did add a strip of cardstock and made a loop out of it to hang my tassel, and I wanted to make put an eyelet on the box, but I was afraid I wouldn't be able to close it. So I just added this piece of cardstock, and you can use your scraps for that. And yeah, I love how it looks. There is the dangle there. You can add more beads and whatnot to it. I just add one simple charm, a tassel, and then the acetate word ephemera that I have a video on. Here I'm showing you, I'm using the Sunny Day stickers to cover that loop, and I love how it looks. So mixing and matching here, and I just love how everything turned out. It did everything goes together, especially with Maggie Holmes. All of the collections match and just intertwine with each other, and I just love that about her collection. So I'm just about done. I'm just adding some details now, and what I am doing here is adding some miniature foam balls from Hobby Lobby, and I just add 3 or so here with some hot glue just sporadically. As you can see, the box is already decorated with some sequins that I hand sewn with the machine there, and I just love how that looks as well. And just adding some of these foam balls. Wanted to add more bling, but then again, I can get carried away with that as well, so I decided not to do that. Here are my embellishments, and I'm going to show you what that looks like here. So there's just the cluster. There is Mr. Linus. He is here to make sure I made all of my embellishments right and everything fits in the box. So this is going to be in my shop. If you'd like to pick this up, I would be happy to help you with that. Go ahead and check out my shop. It's called ko-fi.com, and that's buzzing with V, and just click the link and it'll take you directly there if you like to pick this up. So with each box you will get 1 embellishment, and so there that is. And I hope you will check out all of the links linked below. If you'd like to make this box, that would be amazing. And be sure to use my discount code. I really appreciate those who have supported me in that. It does help me a lot, and I thank you so much for that. And I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this box with a window on it, and I will see you in the next video.